Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, to a new blog. Since morning it is raining and we were craving for some Punjabi style food. So we are here at Hanida Dhaba, which is located near to the Kakurkachi EMI Hospital, Kolkata. Just opposite to the restaurant there is a petrol pump which can be considered as a landmark. Now let's enter. The restaurant is very spacious. Here you can enjoy the dhaba style food in a fine dining ambience with the warm hospitality of their staff. Now let's check out the food menu. Here both a la carte and thali options are available at an affordable price. However, thalis are only available between 12 pm to 9 pm, but after 6 pm they will charge 100 extra on the base price of each thali. Now after checking out the menu, we prefer to have one non-veg thali and one veg thali. We choose Peshwari thali as non-veg and Patiala thali as veg. Along with the thali, they also serve achar chutneys with green chilies and onion. And now our food has come and let's see what's there in it. So this is Peshwari thali. Here you get the tandoori rotis and special basmati rice with mutton radha Punjabi, mutton saag, paneer butter masala, dal makhni, Kashmiri aloo dum, mutton sheikh kebab and mutton galoti kebab, bundi raita, gulab jamun, papad and chach. Now come to the Patiala thali, which includes tandoori roti, basmati rice with veg jhal frizzy, dal makhni, garlic corn palak, Kashmiri aloo dum, bundi raita, gulab jamun, papad and chach. So Dipro is enjoying the dal makhni with tandoori roti, and as usual I am falling for rice. So friends, if you really crave for some authentic Punjabi food in Kolkata, so we would recommend you to visit this place at least once. Here the quality and quantity of the foods are both awesome, but remember that this place is closed on every Tuesday. So that's it for today. We will be back with a brand new episode exploring some other food joints in Kolkata. So signing off for today. Tada!